Octopus. Octopuses can change their skin patterns, like instant costumes. Crab. Crabs scuttle so fast their legs look like they're dancing. Blue tang fish. Blue tangs weave through coral like bright blue zigzags.
Oh!
Shark. Sharks can feel tiny ocean vibrations like secret signals. Clownfish. Clownfish wiggle boldly even when hiding in squishy anemones. Hammerhead shark. Hammerheads sweep their wide heads like built-in metal detectors. Pufferfish. Pufferfish inflate so quickly, it's like a magic trick. Orca. Orcas can leap so high, they splash like falling waterfalls.
Ta-da!
Sawfish. Sawfish swipe their saw nose to clear sand like underwater rakes.
Oh!
Turtle. Turtles bob gently on waves like floating little boats. Hippopotamus. Hippos walk underwater like giant waddling submarines. Starfish. Starfish hold on to rocks with tiny suction feet. Spider crab. Spider crabs stretch long legs that make them look like walking sea towers. Goblin shark. Goblin sharks snap their jaws forward like surprise spring-loaded traps.
Oh!
Crocodile. Crocodiles glide silently with just their snouts above water. Caterpillar. Caterpillars curl and stretch like tiny fuzzy accordions. Llama. Llamas hum softly when they're curious or calm. Fish. Fish shimmer in sunlight like swimming jewels. Eel. Eels slip through cracks like slick, wiggly ribbons. Whale. Whales glide through the deep with tails strong as ocean oars. Starfish. Some starfish twist their arms to flip themselves over. Panda. Pandas roll around for fun like fluffy tumbleweeds. Hermit crab. Hermit crabs swap shells like trying on new tiny houses.
Oh!
Stingray. Stingrays hide under sand by giving it a gentle, dusty wiggle.